Hey guys, Terry here. While I was on vacation, I got my Gina K order in, so I want to show you what came. Gina K has started having these monthly sets. I think it's a way that she's releasing new products. If you buy it that first month, and she does a YouTube, I'll link to her site from my site. But she does a YouTube and shows what all is in that kit, so you can see what it is before you order it. And then I've never seen it run out, so she offers it for a little while, and then what she does is she breaks up the set and sells everything individually. So I added up the value of what was in this set, and it added up to $135. And the kit was $59.95. And then it's $6.95 shipping. I added some stuff to it to get the free shipping. I don't know if it's over 50 you get free shipping or over 75. So let's see. So here's my order. I ordered these two things. So I got free shipping. There was tax. And my total was almost 100, but I think it's 75 for free shipping. And also, you got this free incentive stamp set. So this is really pretty. So I like these because I think it'll fit inside the wreath builder really nice. Or you could make a cute little tag. And I love that they're kind of generic sayings. So isn't that cute? So you didn't have to add this to your cart. If you had an order over $75, they included it. So it's called Stamps It's All You by Gina K Designs. And like I said, I'll have links to everything on my site. And that set's really cute. So I did not get last month's kit. My sister-in-law Marcia did. Hi, Marcia. And I regretted not ordering it. But I know where she lives, and I know what she has, so I can use it at her house. But this kit, it's made up of some dies, some stamps, the new wreath builder template that she has, and then some cardstock. So let me show you what's inside here. I love how it's wrapped. I mean, it's very nicely packaged. It's inside a project bin. I think it's a really good value. So what I added to my order, so this did not come in the kit. I added this Master Layout 3. So she has these dies that are specially made for A2 size cards, which is, you know, if you take a piece of cardstock, 8.5 by 11, and cut it in half and fold it in half, that's the size of an A2 card. So it's a standard size in the U.S. And this is die set number 3. And I just like that she took into account the common shapes that you would make on top of your card. So I plan on taking these every time I go on a crop or I'm making cards. I want to have those master die sets readily available. So this was number 3. What she did was she had some unique designs in each one. And then her first one, 1 and 2, I bought, and I'll link to that video on my website too, because I want to show you. It's just such good common things, and I think these are about $30 for a set. Like I said, I bought 1 and 2. This is number 3, so I'll just slowly get these too, because I just think she's got a good set of standard shapes that you would use for A2 cards. Okay, so here's what is in the case. And like I said, I just love that it's inside a container so you can keep everything together till you've been using it. So she has a variety of stamps, a variety of dies, and then this month she also included, and I'll show you these, she also included this new, she has a wreath builder system. So she came up with a large wreath builder that you needed to use the Misty stamping machine, which is this guy. This is the Misty. This is the mini. And then there's a larger size, and then there's a great big 12 by 12. She created the wreath templates for that 12 by 12. Well, then what she recently realized was she could just chop off that size, and this would fit inside the original Misty. So I'll show you that in a second. But let's look at these wonderful stamp sets. So she's got this one here. This one is called Stained Glass Flowers. And she has different designers that work for her. And on her YouTube, she'll interview those designers, and they'll talk about the stamp sets that are coming out. I just think this is a cute way to do the release, that if you bundle it and you buy it that first month, then you are set. These came on magnetic boards, which, I mean, have you ever heard of a company sending them on magnetic boards? So love that. This is this set. So what I'll do is I'll take this out and I'll put it inside the this stamp set to keep them together. So I'll just store it with this stamp set. That way you have everything together. And I don't normally buy the dies because I do have my brother's Scan and Cut. And you can use that to cut around everything. But this is how I'll store it together. So really pretty flowers, and love this. Believe in your dreams. So how handsome is that? And then these dies I can see go with this little critters. I mean, who doesn't love critters? Little bear, little deer, mushrooms, hedgehog, raccoon, fox. So cute. And again, her sentiments are such a cute font. So this was designed by Gina K. It's called Woodland Friends. So pretty. Polymer stamps, so they're easy to stamp through, and you can see where you're stamping. Party like an animal. I can't wait to give you a bear hug. Hello, dear friend. So really, really pretty set. And then you get the dies. Oh, and I didn't notice there was a tree trunk there, so that cuts out too. And then there are leaves, so you can make a tree. So very cute. I'll put that inside that one. This one here, I did not realize that she had a mandala set. This is Mandala Maker number 2. And the first one was similar. But this again works with the Wreath Builder set. So let me show you the Wreath Builder. Oh, let me just show you that. The last thing you get is her cardstock. So you get 2 sheets of each color. So it's got her green. I don't know her colors, but 2 sheets of each. These usually come in a pack of 10. So you can use these as your card bases. So you could make 16 cards with those card bases. But let me show you this template. So it fits inside the original size Misty. So if we take this out, and I'll link to her Wreath Builder videos. But for example, this will fit right inside here. So you can put your piece of cardstock that you're going to stamp on and put that in there. And then the idea is that you place a stamp here and pick it up. You pick that stamp up with your Misty, and then you can keep... It's been a while since I did this. Your piece of paper would get cut to the size of these triangles, and you would place your paper inside here. I'm not doing a good job of illustrating it. But the idea is it's made for the size of the original Misty, and you can keep turning your paper such that you make a wreath out of these designs. So I'll insert a picture here of one that she recently made where she just rotated it, and kept stamping. So the stamp is in the same place, but you're moving the paper, and it's such that you can make a design. So that's her wreath builder system. But I love everything that came in here. Each month it's a different variety, and I was not expecting that it came in this a container like this. So it's got 3 stamp sets, 2 dies, the cardstock, and then the wreath builder, which they're calling it a large wreath builder template. So, and like I said, I will link to her video where she shows her using some of this with what's in this month's kit. So that's what I wanted to show you. It's so fun to get stuff in the mail. It took, I think, less than a week to get here. So I'll have all the links, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And I appreciate you watching. Have a great day.